Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best wheel bearing hub assemblies on Amazon. When a wheel bearing goes, you'll feel the need to throw the whole dang car away. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Moog Wheel Bearing and Hub Assembly. Moog is a go-to for many mechanics when it comes to any kind of steering work. Its product is of premier quality and is sure to offer the best service life one could ask for on street-driven vehicles. This wheel hub is no exception. It's miles above much of what's out there, and you can rest easy knowing it'll keep you safe. Of course, the 3-year warranty helps with peace of mind as well. For all intents and purposes, you can view this as a near tie for our pick of best overall. As for the downsides, the premium pricing holds this back from our top spot. That's not to say it's not worth the money, just that you can get an equally as good product for a little less. It's also worth pointing out that, despite the higher price, quality control issues are a somewhat common problem for this particular part number. What we like about it: premium quality, excellent service life, 3-year warranty. What we don't like about it: expensive. Quality control issues are somewhat common. Number 2. Detroit Axle Front Wheel Bearing Hub Assembly. Detroit axle wheel hub assemblies are a great option for those needing to save money where they can. The low pricing is no indication of poor quality, though. These are a good fit for many situations and are backed by a 10-year warranty. That warranty really helps increase the value, as some premium units offer far less protection. However, the warranty still takes a backseat to the fact that this is a set containing both the right and left sides. What we like about it: affordable pricing. Includes 2 wheel bearings. Backed by a 10-year warranty. Excellent service life. What we don't like about it: quality control issues are common. Relatively short service life. Number 3. Detroit Axle Front CV Axle and Wheel Bearing Hub Replacement. This entry from Detroit Axle is a good option to consider if you're looking to do a complete service on a budget. Not only does it include the wheel bearing assemblies for either side, but the CV axles are included as well. Despite that, the price remains relatively low for all that's included, even with a solid lifetime warranty. It really is everything someone with little financial room to work with could ask for. What we like about it: relatively affordable. Includes hub assemblies and CV axles. Excellent service life. Protected by lifetime warranty. What we don't like about it: short service life. Quality control issues are somewhat common. Number 4. Timken Bearing and Hub Assembly. It's important to note that this Timken wheel bearing hub assembly, as well as anything else on this list, is application specific. But even if it isn't a direct match to your vehicle, it's still representative of the quality you should search for. These are professionally trusted units for a reason. What we like about it: high quality construction. Excellent service life. Protected by 1-year warranty. What we don't like about it: expensive. Mispackaged products are a somewhat common issue. Number 5. A Delco Original Equipment Front Wheel Hub and Bearing Assembly. A Delco is the name to turn to if you're after OE quality, as it is the OE supplier for many vehicles on the road. That said, this hub assembly is sure to offer the same service life and fit as the original unit on your vehicle. And since this is part of the genuine GM line of product, a Delco backs it with a lifetime warranty. What we like about it: direct match to OE quality. Perfect fit and finish. Excellent service life. Protected by lifetime warranty. What we don't like about it: lifetime warranty only applies to selected products. Expensive. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.